We're driving to see a sheep herding demonstration with a shepherd and a dog and sheep in this corner of County Galway that still largely populated with shepherds and sheep, and got all these like steep grassy slopes, and we're excited about seeing what it looks like. There's some sheep right out the window over here.
Hi. Good, nice to meet you. Hello.
We're doing a sheepdog show, a bit of sheep shearing, and we'll be watching some lambs, okay?
Alright, you got it? The water? Great. They're just so little.
We're here at Killary Sheep Farm, and the country is just incredible. The tour's about to start though.
Oh, I thought you might be thirsty, so I brought some water.
I don't know. Nice little area with
Is it gonna be down?
picnic tables. I'm interested in asking what the what is being grown or farmed in the lake. I don't know what all these. There's these floats off to the left. You can't really see over right here, and then there's more over there in that area. Okay, so it's actually saltwater. This is an inlet that goes out to the ocean.
Pick up these guys, take them this way along here. We're going to turn them around, bring them back along the shore, up the hill, through that gap, and with the help of God we'll finish them there, okay? So it'll all go to plan. It will all go to plan out here, but it's that area. It's trying to pin them, okay? So it could be, we'll have to settle them, right? Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 sit, sit, come by, sit, wait, 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 wait. Sit. Walk on. Walk on, walk on. Walk on. Come by, come by. Come by. Sit. Come by. Sit. Sit. Walk on, walk on. Wait, 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 sit, wait, 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 sit, come by, come in, wait, 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 come in, wait, 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 sit, wait.
Most of the.
Right, any questions?
Can you train that dog?
I'm a breeder, yeah, train my own dog. She's a 1-year-old, okay? So it's her first time having a haircut. Not that it makes it. Not that I'll take a bit off the front there. Not that it makes any difference, and it's just the way to do it. You sit on the back end, you hope, put this knee into her chest bone, and hopefully it goes to plan. Want to try? Believe it or not, it has to go to England. All the factories here are shut down, so it needs to go to England to get washed, and from there then it ends up in China. But it needs to be disinfected before it goes there, obviously, in case the bugs and that. But yeah.
Tu vois?
Right, so these are very young. What I don't want you to do is when that's empty, take it away, okay? So don't let them go over the air.
Don't. Yeah.
So no air.
Okay.
Just point it down and then do the rest. There you go, you do it. You do it, he's the baby, so just make sure no air.
Okay, crouch down, get down to it, and hold it up, and just hold it still. Let him.
Hold it.
Melody, hold it upside down.
Up, hold it up. There you go, Eric. Up,
There you go,
up,
and just hold it. No,
Hold it up.
Eric, hold it upside down.
Eric, right this way. Okay, like that. Like that. Get it in his mouth. Okay, good. Good.
Lower, so don't have to stand on the other one.
That's it. Okay, that didn't go very well. No, get the whole
Do
thing.
you want me to hand me one? Oh, that's empty.
I know. I have no idea which one the little
Mars,
kid's
hold these.
Right, no, you don't get this one.
Melody, hand me that. Hand me that.
Oh, that's so good. Yeah, that's so
Whoa. Hold on. Can you grab that? Melody, grab that. Keep holding that on your hand.
It's got milk in it still. Mars, did you get all the way empty on your own?
Yeah.
Yep.
You're doing so good. You're doing so good.
This is all chaos.
Get this one, you guys. Here, Mark.
Wait, is the red one get fed yet?
Yes.
Mars, you can take this and I'll take that.
I always heard of a circle outside. They let boys.
Oh, gotcha.
Sorry.
The finished ones?
It's a really incredible experience. I just feel really moved by getting to feed the lambs, especially the one week old newborn. And the dog, the things that the dog did. Awesome. Eric, what did you think about the sheep?
I thought it was fun.
So fun.
Fun, but now I want to get in the car.
It
Now
was fun, but now you want to get in the car.
Look at that mountain. I thought it was really fun. I just am glad it didn't last forever.
It's very Peterson's fun.
It might be my favorite thing we do in Ireland. It was stunning for me. This is absolutely stunning. The whole experience and the being here in this beautiful place, and
Right.
this is just stunning. It's just absolutely stunning.
The slopes and the inlet right here. Yeah, it's really gorgeous.
I just want to tell the guy thank you so much.